So hello guys, welcome back to Raj RideStories. This is Raj, your host, and today we are here at the KTM Langford for a special occasion because we are here to witness the new 2023 390 Adventure which has arrived in India with a spokes wheels version. What we do is we will look at the bike. I'll give you the complete look of the new bike and we will see what this new suspension looks like, how the spokes wheels looks like. Can we upgrade it to the older versions? Is it possible or not? Then what is the on-road price in Bangalore and how the new stickering on the new model looks like. So we were going to discuss in detail about all these aspects. So please don't go anywhere, and if in case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would request you to kindly subscribe and support the channel. So alright, let me just roll the camera, and here you see the bike is in its full form. This looks amazing. The first impression looks good. The stickering looks amazing. There's not much changes to the entire dimensions of the bike, be it your engine, your LCD, your suspension, travel, etc. So everything remains the same. The only big changes are your spokes wheels and your adjustable suspension. Alright, so let's start from the front, and as you see, the major appearance what you see is the changes onto the spokes wheels. Okay, and these are the tubeless tires, however the rims are the tube. That's why these are the tube tires. Don't go wrong with any of the rumors. These are not tubeless at all. The front and the rear are spokes, but yes, they are tube. Second one is your suspension. The front suspension, as you see, the travel remains the same. There's no changes to it. However, the significant change here is your adjustable suspension what you get here. So this is your compression and this is your rebound. So these are the two adjustables what you can see. Do as per your need, be it softer or you want on the firm side. Okay, so you have the 30 clicks on both the sides, and make sure that whenever you're adjusting, both of the compression and the rebounds are on the same clicks. Otherwise it is not going to go it's not going to gel well when you are on the go. And at the rear you have the same suspension setup what you get on the older models, and you get the 10-step adjustable for the softness and the firmness. Okay, so no changes over here. The stickering bit of it, as you can see, the previous models did not have this much of a stickering, but now you have the new stickering and they look good. The tank you see is a matte finish. However, all these decals you see is on the glossy side and they really look good. Ready to race here. Your chassis is been a little bit painted with the oranges to give that the KTM grunt, and on the rear you have a little bit of orange paint scheme here. Then you have the standard knuckle guards. You have the same TFT screen what you get here on the standard models. The handlebars are the same dimensions, no changes also whatsoever here. Then your windshield is of the same dimension, adjustable. A little bit of adjustment what you can do. Your headlamps remains the same. What else? The seat remains the same. It's a very good padded seat actually, and I have been using it on my 2020 KTM and I have traveled long, and it's a very fantastic seat what you get. The space what it offers here, it's just amazing when you go off the road as well. Yeah, and this new spokes version is called as the rally version as well, because you have the spokes wheels. You can just take it out of the showroom, go and hit the trails. That's how built it is. You don't have to really add on anything here. Just out of the showroom you can hit the trails. Just look at this. So your crash guard, this actually does the job. I have actually changed it to the Zana on my 390 Adventure, but I believe that these are good enough to do the job, and really don't bother about going for the aftermarkets. They are very good enough. And what else? Your belly exhaust here, they are still the fiber one. They're not getting the aluminum. So these are the Medzilla tires what we get on the standard models. So it is 19 and 17. At the moment For the rally version, you have only this standard color option available, so there are no other options available at this moment. What I also liked is the way the stickering of this one is also done. Okay, this it's really a catchy. Okay, and these are the WP Apex suspensions what you get here for the front and the rear. These are like inbuilt from the KTM's, and yeah, just to show you, that's how my older 220 model looks like. So it's a good work which is done by the KTM here. Actually, if you see inside, right, just see inside the chassis, even here also they have painted it with the orange, so which is a good sign, and which means they have taken a good care of every detail on the bike. Then you have the adjustable clutch and the brake lever here, and it's the same what you get on the standard models. Then the coolant placement is still the same. What else? Well, you have the sari guard here. It's a good looking exhaust. So no changes on the engine bit. It still churns out the 43 HP and 37 Nm of torque, 373cc standard motor what we get on single cylinder motor what we get on the 390s. I personally love this, a small stickering what we get here. We're ready to race. That's what the KTM is meant for. So as we got to hear from the showroom guys, this seems to be priced around like 4.97 on road. The price can be here and there. I mean, they are still yet to get a proper confirmation on the price bit. So that's pretty much what we have to be covered for the new 390 Adventure spokes wheels, the rally version, whatever you call it, and that's the major changes what we get to see. Upgrades, as I hear from the person here, Mr. Karun Tiwari. Thank you so much. He has been very supportive. So he says that the suspensions what we get on the new Adventure will not be able to upgrade it to the older versions because, sir, what could be the reason? We cannot upgrade to the older versions, right? Any reason?
The suspension will be more full different.
Okay.
The older version and WP suspension front.
Okay.
All are difference between new and old.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. So, and as I said, the price is going to be somewhere like 4.97 on road, and we still to get a firm figure what would be the exact thing. And that's pretty much what I have to cover in this particular video, and really excited to take a test ride of this motorcycle. Yeah, another thing is your ground clearance still remains the same, your seat height still remains 855 mm, and that's pretty much what I have to bring to you guys in this particular video. If in case you have any questions, put it in the comment section. What do you feel about this motorcycle? Are you excited or not? Put it in the comment section. And if you want to connect with me more, you can connect with me on my Insta handle, Raj RideStories. And if in case you like the video, give a thumbs up. Not to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification, so that whenever you have the latest updates of the 390 which are coming, like the test ride or whatever it is, I'm going to bring it to you on this channel. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passion. Signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next one. Jai Hind.